What's up, everybody? Claw Time here, and today I am collecting from my Gumball machine in a very busy restaurant. First time collecting, let's see how it goes. So this machine, it's in a barbecue restaurant in town, and they have like, I don't know how well it's gonna do, because they have claw machines, a bunch of arcade games, and they have 2 other vending machines. But I'm the only vendor that has gumballs in there. So that's what gives me hope for this place. So let's just go see. Alright, everybody, so this is what we made today. This is after 2 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $5.75 and an arcade token. That's for an arcade in a movie theater near me, so I'll use that if I go. But actually, this token, they did not get a gumball for this token. The machine will just take the token. It'll just fall to the bottom because the drop through coin mechanism in it. So that is what we made today. And I know it may not seem like a lot for 2 weeks. About $5.75 is not a lot. But for a single head gumball machine in a location with 2 candy machines and an arcade, and it's only been there 2 weeks, people don't know about it much yet, I'd say it's pretty good. Now next thing is to get my free gumball machine into a location. I have a location, and it should be going in Monday or Tuesday. So stay tuned for that. Alright, everybody. So what you just watched was from Saturday. Today is Monday. And I am about to go place this. As you can see, I got the door flap. And I'm going to put it in a Japanese restaurant. I actually had my other machine in that Japanese restaurant right before everything shut down for coronavirus. So I just took it out. It wasn't doing well with everything shutting down. So now I'm going to put this one in there to see how it goes. The gumball machine loaded up in the back of my car, or my mom's car, and I have it. And tip: if you're gonna move the gumball machine in a car like this, stuff it between some like bags of clothes, or just stuff it between stuff, so it won't slide around and possibly get damaged. Today's video, please leave a like. If you really enjoyed and want to see more arcade and vending content, please subscribe, and I will see you next time.